If you're a small business owner and your notes, ideas, and meetings are all over the place, there's two tools will help you get organized fast without any coding and without changing your whole tech stack. First, we'll use Notion AI to turn messy notes into clear SOPs and task lists. Then we'll switch over to Tactiq AI to grab meeting notes and action items automatically. So you'll see right here, we already have our first tool up, Notion AI, what I'm going to do here. And you can see we also have some bullet points and then a list, then a paragraph here of some messy notes. So what we're going to go ahead and do first is we'll highlight them and we'll ask AI and we can quickly turn them into something. So we'll go ahead and type, turn the notes into a clear checklist for onboarding a new client, use short actionable items. You hit enter while it's thinking. This is rewriting everything by itself. I don't have to worry about it. I just hit accept. And now here it rewrote everything for us. So if we go ahead and hit duplicate the page, now we can turn these steps into a standard operating procedure for client onboarding with heading and bullet points. So we'll go ahead and we'll highlight this, click the Ask AI button, and that's what we're going to put into the prompt. Turn these steps into a short SOP for client onboarding with headings and bullet points. You hit enter and then it's thinking. You click accept, and here you go. This has everything you need. It turns ideas into an organized system. Now you see we've switched over to Tactiq AI. This sits on top of Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams and pulls out important parts of your meeting so you don't have to take notes. You'll see I'll have a sample meeting loaded up already. We'll go ahead and double click into there. And you can see here's the transcript of the meeting right now between the client, David, and Mark. So you scroll down, you see here's the meeting. And so what we want to do here is we go to these AI chats and they already have some ideas for you. A short summary, detailed, but we want a summary and action items. And as it's thinking, so you'll see with one click, it creates a summary of the call and a list of follow-ups. No more scrubbing through recordings or trying to remember what you promised to the client. And so you can scroll down here, the quick summary and the action items for Mark, for David, and for Sarah. And from here, you can go ahead and copy these. You can put them into an email. You can put them into a Google Sheet, and you can parse them out and assign them to each individual person. So between these two tools, you got a simple system. Notion AI turns ideas and notes into organized checklists and SOPs. Tactiq AI turns messy meetings into summaries and follow-ups. Both are perfect if you're a small business owner who wants fewer admin headaches and more done-for-you organization. If you want a list of the AI tools I recommend for small businesses, including these two, just comment AI and I'll send it to you right away.